In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create child pages in Confluence. A child page is simply a page that lives under another page, known as the parent. It's perfect for organizing documentation, procedures, or project notes in a tidy hierarchy. Let's walk through the process so you can create child pages confidently and keep your space easy to navigate. First, open your Confluence space and locate the page you want to use as the parent. Make sure you have view and edit permissions in this space. If you don't, you may not see the options we're about to use. Once you're on the correct parent page, keep your eye on the left sidebar where your page tree is displayed. Now create the child page using the Sidebar method. In the left sidebar, hover your cursor over the parent page title. You'll see a small plus icon appear next to it. Click that plus icon, labeled Create. Confluence will open a brand new page, and because you use the sidebar icon next to the parent, this new page is automatically set as a child. Before you start typing, confirm the page location at the top of the editor. You should see page location, showing your selected parent. If it doesn't show the correct parent, click to adjust it now so your page lands in the right place from the start. By the way, if you're new to Confluence or need to sign in, there's a link to the official website at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. Add a clear, descriptive title. Good titles make pages easier to find and understand. Consider using consistent naming, such as including the theme, project or topic, and keep it concise but specific. Next, add your content. Start typing in the editor and use the / key to quickly insert elements like tables, headings, lists, panels, and more. Headings help readers scan, tables organize details, and lists keep steps easy to follow. Confluence saves drafts automatically, so you won't lose your work while you build out the page. When you're ready, click Publish. Your page is now saved and officially a child of the parent you selected. If you need to make updates later, just edit and publish again. To verify everything looks right, check the left sidebar. You should see your new child page indented underneath the parent page. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the parent or refreshing the page tree. That's it. You've created a well-organized child page in Confluence. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.